So Amy's painting detail on the doors, and we had to do some bunch of caulking. When they started sagging, they decided to make them work again. They would take a hatchet to the piece of the bottom plate. So I've been caulking that in and repairing any other spots. This door was pretty good. We had a screw come through here. Must be when I was screwing in, so I had to file that off with a metal file. And you can see she's painting detail now with a small brush. She did the bigger parts, and now she's coming up to the edge. It's tedious, and she has to put on like 2 or 3 coats for this white to cover fully, so she'll be here for a while doing this, probably all day. But it looked great, and you can see some of the detail down here. And you can see the texture of the paint, you know, the old paint, the crackled look of the old paint. Some paint was off, but it gives you good texture. And when you step back, it all works.